Good day, everyone. I'm Anthony B. Ambes, and today I will be presenting my topic entitled Cybersecurity for Industrial Control Systems, or ICS, in Power Plants, Protecting Critical Energy Infrastructure in the Digital Age. As the power industry continues to adopt digital technologies, automation, smart grids, and remote monitoring systems, the importance of cybersecurity has become more critical than ever. Cybersecurity is no longer limited to protecting computer systems. It now plays a vital role in ensuring the continuous and safe operation of power plants that supply electricity to homes, businesses, industries, and critical public services. In this presentation, I will discuss the importance of cybersecurity in industrial continuous systems, the threats facing modern power plants, and the solution that can help secure our nation's energy infrastructures. To provide an overview of the discussion, let us first look at the presentation outline. This presentation is organized into several key sections. We will begin by introducing industrial control system and discussing their importance in power plant operations. Next, we will examine the major components of ICS and how cybersecurity has evolved alongside advancement in energy technology. We will then explore the global cyber threats landscape and identify the most common cyber threats affecting power plants today. Afterwards, we will discuss the Philippine energy infrastructure security ecosystem, the role of cybersecurity operation centers, and the growing impact of artificial intelligence in cybersecurity. And finally, we will examine the benefits, challenges, consequences, and solution frameworks related to cybersecurity before concluding with the future of secure and resilient energy systems. Now that we understand the flow of presentation, let us begin the discussing why cybersecurity matters in power plants. Power plants are considered part of the country's critical infrastructure because they provide the electricity necessary for economic growth, public services, and daily life. Industrial control systems serve as the background of power plant operations of monitoring equipment, controlling processes, and ensuring efficient power generation and distribution. As this system become increasingly connected to digital networks, they also become more exposed to cyber threats. A successful cyber attack can interrupt power generations, damage expensive equipment, compromise public safety, and even threaten national security. Therefore, cybersecurity is essential in protecting these systems and ensuring the reliable delivery of electricity to consumers. To better appreciate the importance of cybersecurity, let us examine its role within the Philippine energy sector. Cybersecurity is a national concern that extends beyond power plants and affects multiple sectors across the Philippines. Energy systems are interconnected with communication networks, transportation systems, healthcare facilities, government services, and data centers. As the country adopts smart grids technologies and renewable energy sources, these interconnected systems become increasingly dependent on secure digital infrastructures. A cyber attack targeting one critical sector can potentially affect many others, resulting in a widespread disruption. For this reason, strengthening cybersecurity is essential to maintaining national resilience, protecting critical services, and supporting sustainable economic development. Before discussing cyber threats and solution, it is important to first understand what an industrial control system and how it functions within a power plant. An industrial control systems commonly referred to as ICS. It is a collection of hardware, software, communication networks, and control devices used to monitor and manage industrial processes. In power plants, ICS consists of several key components, including supervisory control and data acquisition system or DISCADA, the human machine interfaces or HMI, programmable logic controllers or PLCs, and the remote terminal units or the RTUs. These components work together to collect data field devices, transmit information to operators, and execute control commands to regulate power generation processes. Through this integrated system, operators can monitor plant performance, identify operational issues, and ensure the safe and efficient productivity of electricity. As technology has advanced, this system has evolved significantly, bringing both opportunity and cybersecurity challenges. Traditionally, power plant control systems operated in isolated environments with limited connectivity, making them less vulnerable to external cyber threats. However, modern power plants now rely on interconnected technologies such as the cloud computing, smart grids, artificial intelligence, remote monitoring, and advanced analytics. These innovations have improved operational efficiency, reduced maintenance costs, and enhanced decision-making capabilities. At the same time, increased connectivity has expanded the attack surface available to cyber criminals. As power systems continue to become smarter and more integrated, cybersecurity must evolve alongside with the technological advancement to effectively address emerging threats. The increasing connectivity of modern power systems has contributed to a rapidly evolving global cyber threats landscape. Over the past decade, several major cyber attacks have demonstrated the vulnerability of critical infrastructure around the world. Incidents such as the Colonial Pipelines ransomware attack in the United States, the cyber attacks on Ukraine's power grid, and the Stuxnet attack on the industrial systems has highlighted the significant risk posed by cyber threats. These attacks caused operational disruptions, financial losses, and damage to critical infrastructure, providing that cyber incidents can have real-world consequences. Such events serve as important reminders that cybersecurity is not merely a technical issue, but a critical component of national security and public safety. Let us now examine the specific cyber threats that commonly target power plants in industrial control systems. Power plants face a variety of cyber threats that can disrupt operations and compromise safety. These threats include ransomware attacks that encrypt critical systems, malware infections, and damaged equipment, phishing attacks that targets employees, insider threats from authorized personnel, denial of service attacks that overwhelm networks, and supply chain attacks that exploit vulnerabilities in third-party vendors. Because power plants rely heavily on interconnected systems. A single successful cyber attack can result in power outages, equipment failure, financial losses, and reputational damages. Understanding these threats is essential for developing effective cybersecurity strategies. Protecting critical infrastructures requires cooperation among government agencies, private organizations, and industrial stakeholders. The Philippines has established a collaborative approach to securing its energy infrastructure through involvement of various government agencies and organizations. Key stakeholders includes the Department of Energy, the Department of Information and Communication Technology, and the National Grid Corporation of the Philippines, including the National Security Council. These organizations work together to develop cybersecurity policies, manage risk, share threats intelligence, coordinate incident responses, and strengthen national cybersecurity capabilities. Through collaboration and information sharing, the country can help better protect its critical infrastructure against evolving cyber threats. Effective cybersecurity also requires continuous monitoring and rapid response capabilities, which are provided through cybersecurity operations centers. A cybersecurity operations center serves as the command center for monitoring and defending power plant networks against cyber threats. Security analysts use advanced monitoring tools to detect suspicious activities, analyze security events, investigate incidents, and coordinate response actions. Real-time monitoring enables organizations to identify threats before they escalate into major disruptions. By maintaining continuous visibility across operational technology and information technology environments, Cybersecurity Operations Center play a critical role in protecting energy infrastructure and ensuring uninterrupted operations. One of the most transformative technologies supporting modern cybersecurity operations is the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing cybersecurity by enabling faster and more accurate threat detection. AI systems can analyze massive amounts of operational data, identify unusual patterns, predict potential cyber incidents, and automate response actions. Through machine learning and predictive analytics, AI helps organizations detect threats that may be difficult for human operations to identify. Additionally, AI supports predictive maintenance, intelligence decision making, and operational optimization, making it valuable tool for enhancing both cybersecurity and overall power plant performance. The implementation of cybersecurity measures provides numerous benefits that extend beyond the protection of digital systems. Strong cybersecurity delivers significant benefits to power plants, organizations, and society as a whole. It improves operational reliability by minimizing downtime and ensuring continuous power delivery. It enhances safety by protecting workers and equipment from cyber-related incidents. Cybersecurity also supports economic stability by preventing costly disruption and financial losses. Furthermore, it strengthens national security by safeguarding critical infrastructure and increases public trust by ensuring reliable access to essential services. For these reasons, cybersecurity should be viewed as a long-term investment rather than a business expense. Despite these advantages, implementing effective cybersecurity programs comes with several challenges. Many organizations face significant challenges with implementing cybersecurity measures. Legacy systems often lack modern security features and may be difficult to upgrade. High implementation costs can discourage organizations from investing in cybersecurity improvements. The shortage of skilled cybersecurity professionals further conflicts efforts to secure critical infrastructure. Additionally, modern power systems are becoming increasingly complex, making them more difficult to manage and protect. Human error also remains one of the leading causes of cybersecurity incidents. Addressing these challenges requires continuous investment, workforce development, and organizational commitments. Failure to address the challenges can result in a serious consequences for power plant and society. A successful cyber attack on a power plant can have devastating consequences. Operations may disrupt, leading to a power outages and blackout that affect businesses, hospitals, transportation systems, and communities. Critical equipments may be damaged, resulting in expensive repairs and prolonged downtime. Organizations may experience significant financial losses, regulatory penalties, and reputational damages. More importantly, cyber incidents can compromise public safety and threaten national security. These consequences demonstrate why cybersecurity is a critical priority for every energy organization. To address this risk organization, we must adopt a comprehensive cybersecurity strategy. An effective cybersecurity framework follows a structured approach that includes identifying the risk, protecting critical assets, detecting threats, responding to incidents, and recovering from disruptions. Organizations should implement network segmentation, multi-factor authentication, continuous monitoring, employee awareness training, incident response planning, and compliance with recognized cybersecurity standards. By combining technology policies and human expertise, organizations can significantly reduce their vulnerability to cyber attacks and strengthen their overall resilience. As technology continues to advance, cybersecurity will play an even greater role in shaping the future of power systems. The future of power system lies in intelligent smart grids that integrate renewable energy, artificial intelligence, digital twins, autonomous controls, and advanced communication technologies. These innovations will enable more efficient energy management, improve reliability, and great sustainability. However, they will also require stronger cybersecurity measures to protect increasingly interconnected systems. AI-powered cybersecurity solutions will help ensure that future smart grid remains secure, resilient, and capable of meeting the growing energy demands of the society. This vision leads us towards a secure and sustainable energy future for the Philippines. A secure Philippines energy future depends on innovation, collaboration, and strong cybersecurity practices. By investing in advanced technologies, modernizing infrastructure, strengthening cybersecurity policies, and promoting cooperation among government agencies, industrial partners, and academic institutions, the country can build resilient and sustainable energy sector. Cybersecurity serves as the foundations that enables the safe adoption of smart technologies while protecting critical infrastructure from emerging threats. Through this effort, the Philippines can achieve brighter, safer, and more secured energy future. Before concluding, I would like to acknowledge the references used in preparing this presentation. The information presented in this report was gathered from credible and authoritative sources, including the Department of Energy, the Department of Information and Communication Technology, and other agencies and outside the Philippines. These references provide valuable insights into cybersecurity standards, industrial control systems, critical infrastructure protection, and emerging technologies in energy sector. Finally, let me summarize the key message of this presentation. Cybersecurity has become an essential component of modern power plant operations. As industrial control systems become more interconnected and technology advance, organizations must remain vigilant against evolving cyber threats. Strong cybersecurity protects critical infrastructure, ensures reliable power generation, enhances safety, supports economic growth, and strengthens national security. By combining advanced technologies, effective policies, skilled professionals, and continuous innovation, we can build a resilient energy sector capable of meeting future challenges. Thank you for your time, attention, and God bless us all.